Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video we'll be making a sunset beach painting. So let's begin. For this we can use a canvas or use a drawing paper. So in step 1 let's make sky. For that I'm drawing a line to remember where exactly the sky will be. Also get ready with your colors so that you don't run out of colors while coloring. So you can choose the size of the brush depending on the size of the canvas. So here I am using brush number 10. Start applying lemon yellow color on the base. Now you can see here that the colors are not blending properly and they are drying very quickly, so add water for easy blending. And now start adding different rays and reflections of light in the sky. Also, I am blending the colors together, but please keep in mind not to blend it completely because we want some rays and reflections of light to be seen in the sky. Now by using this rotating movement of the brush, create these kinds of patterns in the sky. And start adding these clouds into the sky. Randomly put strokes of color for showing movement of clouds in the sky. Now take a dry flat brush and blend all the colors together for that soft look in the sky. And if in case the colors have dried, then you can use a wet flat brush for blending all the colors together. And now I'm using a wet flat brush and picking up colors to add that natural cloud effect in the sky. And if your colors are dried and you are not able to achieve this effect, then add lines of lemon yellow color on the top. Now let this dry completely, and meanwhile let's get ready with the beach. So here I am using light blue color. And now add dark green color on the top. As this scene is from sunset time, so the water will be little darker and will not be as bright as it would have been on the daytime. So add layers of dark green color for showing movement of water in the sea. And now add black color for creating some depth in the water. And now let's paint the land area of the beach. And also paint these small rocks by using a flat brush. And now I'm using a wet flat brush and blending both the colors from the center and creating shore of the sea. Now let's make sun. I'm also adding sea walkway and rocks here. In step 4, let's paint trees. Make these fine strokes for making leaves which are thick in the bottom and very thin at the end. In step 5, let's add reflections of light in the painting. Also add birds for adding life into the painting. While painting this landscape, I wish I can be here right now. I can feel the cool breeze and the chirp of these birds. It's a beautiful feeling. And now it's ready. I hope you liked today's video, and for more such interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.